Hello, we are going to learn how to design a poster by high-quality ready-made templates. As the first step, download the ready template. Enter a website which provides free templates, for example, freepik.com. In the search section, select the PSD and free options. The ready-made templates with open layer format are available to you. Enter the topic you want in the search box to search among the templates. Choose a template which you need. And download it freely. After the download is complete, go to the document location and extract the zip file. I have already taught how to extract zip files, and I have written the link of that program in the description. Open the folder and open the PSD file with Photoshop program. The template is now ready to make changes. Now, as a second step, we are going to apply changes to the template file in Photoshop software. On the right side of Photoshop, you can see the open layers of the template for changes. First, click on the text of the logo and write the name of your own logo. Then disable the template logo in this way that I show and copy your own logo that you want to be placed in the poster. For this, press Ctrl+A on your logo and then transfer the logo to the template. To change the size of the logo, click on Edit from the top menu and select the Transform option and select Scale. Apply the desired size with the mouse. Be sure to hit the Enter button after determining the size. Then click on the poster photo and select the Image option. Because the layer of template is open, the layer related to the photo will be available just with a double click. Deactivate the existing photo and choose your desired photo from your computer, as you see in the image. And save it. The poster image can be changed easily. Change the next photos in the same way. Then disable the text. You can activate or deactivate the layers by clicking on the layers. To type a text, select T from the menus on the left, then write your text. Click on Color from the toolbar above and change the color of the text and also choose the type of font. Change the font size. After applying the changes, go to the file and save changes. Click on the image section and select image size. Now, as you see, the poster is saved in a high quality. Select File again and this time click Save As, and then select File Format as JPG and save it with a suitable name. I hope you like this program. Waiting for your likes and subscription for more support. Goodbye.